Discover HDO Premium 2S Formply, the powerhouse plywood engineered for robust, long-lasting concrete forming. Featuring premium HDO coating on both sides for enhanced durability and extra reuses. A game changer for professionals. Made from Acacia and Eucalyptus with WBP Phenolic bonding and a double-sided HDO Premium Coating, this Formply ensures up to 20 reuses in concrete pours, offering superior strength and durability in demanding conditions. The double-sided HDO extends lifespan, while the high-density core maintains its integrity. A smooth surface allows for easy stripping and a customizable, paintable finish. Built from sustainable plantation-grown acacia and eucalyptus, contributing to eco-conscious building practices. HDO Premium 2S Formply is built tough for long-term performance and ease of use, giving you the edge in concrete formwork projects. Reach out to us today to discover how HDO Premium 2S Formply can maximize efficiency and ensure quality in your next project.